Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind to Code. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the latest science and tech insights. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to dive into: CRISPR gene editing. But before we jump in, give this video a thumbs up if you're as fascinated by science and technology as I am. First off, what exactly is CRISPR? Standing for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, CRISPR is a revolutionary technology that allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision. Although it was only widely recognized in 2012, the concept has quickly escalated into one of the most groundbreaking scientific discoveries, enabling significant advances in biology and medicine. You may be wondering, how does CRISPR work? Well, it's like a pair of molecular scissors guided by a GPS system. The scissors is an enzyme, often Cas9, and the APS is a piece of RNA with the exact sequence of the DNA you want to edit. The applications are virtually limitless. CRISPR has been used in everything from creating genetically modified organisms to conducting advanced cancer research. In medicine, CRISPR holds promise for treating genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even some forms of inherited blindness. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The power to edit genes brings forth ethical questions that society must address. For example, could CRISPR be misused to create designer babies? What about unintended consequences? Despite these concerns, the future for CRISPR is incredibly bright. With ongoing research, who knows what miraculous feats we could achieve? From curing diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries to potentially solving world hunger through genetically modified crops, the possibilities are endless. That's it for today's episode on CRISPR gene editing. I hope you found this topic as fascinating as I do. If you have any questions or thoughts, make sure to leave a comment below. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.